All right, we're about to head out, try to find some pigs. We have a special guest with us tonight, Tim. He likes to cuss on camera a lot, so probably gonna be some beeping. Then we got the mullet man, Kason. He can't shoot. We just take him around to find the pigs after we kill them. Yeah. So we're gonna go put some on the ground. We'll take y'all along with us. See y'all in a little bit. We've got a big boar over here that we're about to put a stalk on. Well, we'd like to apologize. This guy over here said that was a boar, and that was not a boar. That was a deer laying down. Yeah, well. You can tell we haven't been in like a month. We're out of practice.
Sorry, we don't have a $5,000 scope.
God bless us. Well, hit him on the run, not the best shot placement. He felt it. Oh, yeah, we can't show that on our video. He gone. He gone. All right, let's go find some pigs. These are pigs. I think we found the mother load. There's some more over there. There's deer right there. Those right there. That's a butt ton of pigs. We stalked to within about 75 yards, and you'll notice that big sow keep looking back at us. So here's where we decided we'd take the shots. You ready? 1, 2, 3. At this point, I hit one more there that did drop. Tim hit another one, but we could not find them in this tall cotton.
God, I can't lead them.
We got a big one. And we think there's a couple more out here. We just can't find them.
Blaming your dad.
Are you blaming me?
Yes, I'm blaming you.
It wasn't my fault. He's blaming.
You didn't build.
He's blaming me for lack of lube. Now tell me whose fault that is for lack of lube.
I'm not gonna blame you for the lack of lube. I'm gonna blame you for not getting the lube when I told you to.
Oh, I wasn't truant with my lubrication. We got one out here in the wheat. Look through your thermal, see if you can see. I think that's him right there. Yeah, but they ran a little ways. Check your thermal. See if you see him.
Oh yeah, we still got some.
Still some more out there?
Look.
Alive?
There's one out there.
That little dude took about 4 or 5 shots. we ain't gonna say how many times he actually hit him, but he gone.
Good hit. Did it drop?
No. Stop.
Let me get out.
Oh.
dropped it.
We got that one. We got another one out here somewhere. I don't know where he's at. No, probably not.
Too tall.
Ain't Cotton's tall. I'm just gonna say it, but Waylon.
Hey, let's go hunt and we'll come back.
Waylon
Let's leave him alone.
has been producing tonight.
Yes, he has.
We've been listening to Kid Rock. We've been listening.
Old Faithful, you mean?
Old Faithful. We always kill pigs to Kid Rock. We've been listening to everything, but we play the Waylon.
Waylon producing.
And pigs started dropping. It was awesome. We're burning that midnight oil. Looking for these pigs. We got about 5 or 6 on the ground, maybe 7. They're about to make another stalk. It's sore because I've shot so many pigs tonight. I gotta let the kids play.